Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and the Android 9 Pie July 2019 security update is now available. It's available over the air and took about 30 minutes to install and was about 79.8 megabytes on my Pixel 3a XL. It's available for the Pixel devices as well as the Essential phone. Now, if you have a Samsung device or one of the other Android phones that does get regular security updates, it may come later this month. That's up to your manufacturer of your phone. And this particular update is not huge, but does bring quite a few security fixes and bug fixes. So the first one has to do with OK and then the manufacturer of this phone, Google. And if you say OK in that word, and also music detection, those things are both improved on Pixel 2, 2XL, 3, 3XL, 3A, and 3A XL. There's also a fix for some devices getting stuck during boot. So maybe you're booting this up and it's going into a boot loop. It should be fixed with this particular update on Pixel 3 and 3XL. That's the only devices that they're saying have this issue right now. Now, if you have Pixel 3, 3XL, 3A, and 3A XL like this one, there's also a fix for some devices getting stuck in the EDL mode. And you would get a blank screen if you have that issue. And what that means is it's a mode allowing you to unbrick devices or unlock the bootloader or modify protected device parameters. So if you're using EDL mode and you were getting that blank screen, that should be fixed now. Another fix has to do with Unicode, and Unicode is basically emojis, or the governing body behind emoji, and it's been improved for Japanese language support on all Pixel devices, going back to the first Pixel all the way to the 3A devices. So you should have better support of that. Also, if you have a device like the 3A or 3A XL, the 3 or the 3XL, you'll also have improved Titan M support. So these devices have a Titan M security module in them. That's been updated for more support. And then aside from that, there are no new features or anything. Performance seems to be quite good so far, and most of these updates have really good performance anyway, and battery life stays about the same, but they did update over 30 security vulnerabilities. So they've patched different things such as the framework, the library, the media framework, system, and also some proprietary Qualcomm things have been patched as well. So there's a lot of little security patches in here. Definitely patch this or update this if you have this update available, and make sure that it's installed on your device so that you have all those security vulnerabilities taken care of. If you'd like to see a list of those, of course, I'll link them in the description, as I always do every month. And of course, I'll link this wallpaper as well. So no new features. We'll see those features with the Android Q update. Expect Android Q Beta 5 probably later in July, since that seems to be the beta track. So if you're keeping track of the betas, that'll be available then. And of course, I'll keep you updated on any new changes or features with that. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you like to see more of these videos? I did skip last month. There wasn't really a huge update. And also there were a lot of other updates coming out in June. So the July update seems to be a little bit more significant. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Of course, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell if you'd like to be one of the first to get the notification when I post a new video. And that's usually 4 or 5 times a week. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.